We have some new findings from our Wall Street Journal NBC News national poll. Again, this is a national poll, not in any particular primary state. This time on the Democratic side, and what we've seen, the big top-line finding, is that the Hillary Clinton lead over Bernie Sanders nationally has been reduced significantly over the last month. It's an 11-point lead now, 53 to 42%. That's down from about 25% in January. But again, I think the more important thing in these polls is not the absolute numbers, it's the trend line, and particularly what you can find by looking inside those top-line numbers at some of the movement among different parts of the Democratic constituency. And you see here some clear advantages and disadvantages for both of the candidates. For Hillary Clinton, the clear advantage that she's got is support among non-white voters and among women overall. And if you ask people who could you see yourself supporting, the number of women overall who see themselves possibly supporting Hillary Clinton is 17 points higher than women who say they could see themselves supporting Bernie Sanders. And on the flip side for Hillary Clinton, the disadvantages are she has some weaknesses emerging among young women. Her overall support among women is good, young women less so. For Bernie Sanders, again, some advantages and disadvantages. Big advantage, young voters. We've talked about this a lot, but it certainly comes true in this poll. And interestingly, another advantage that Bernie Sanders has, his electability argument is a lot stronger than it was. He can say, I can not just win a nomination, I can win a general election. In a hypothetical matchup, he beats Donald Trump by more than Hillary Clinton does. His two big disadvantages, I would say, that come out in this poll, first of all, among moderates in the Democratic Party, he does much less well than he does overall. And secondly, among older voters. This is the flip side of that young voter number, I suppose, but he's got a 22-point deficit among older voters. So quite different candidates, interesting national picture. We'll see how it unfolds state by state in the weeks ahead.